Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your Etsy sales. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now for this video, I'm just going to follow these article on the help center of Etsy, and basically it shows you how either to renew or hide your listings that are sold. So basically here you can simply just see that if an item has been purchased or a listing has expired, you can start selling it again by renewing the listing. That means if it has been sold or expired, you would see that it will be hidden automatically. And now, if we want like to simply hide the sold listings, you might do it like by going to the shop manager and then go to option, and here you will find what to do with sold listings. So simply we need just to go to our shop manager, which we are here. This is the dashboard. Now let's just go to the settings, and from here, as we can see, we need just to go to option and go to listings. Here we have the settings, and basically we go to options, and basically here you will find like shop options, and basically here you can choose whenever you want like to offer any other thing concerning the listings. So here, if you want to shoppers to be able to see your sold listing, you can click sure, or you will need just to make no hide them, and then you will need just to click on save. And by that, you will be able like to start like hiding your sales from or on Etsy. And you can also like regain visibility again by go in and click on share show them, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.